living life in a wheelchair comes with its own set of challenges. From navigating busy city streets to accessing buildings, every day presents a new obstacle. Simple tasks like entering a store become a daunting challenge when there are steps at the entrance. Accessibility is a constant struggle for those in wheelchairs. Public transportation also poses challenges for wheelchair users. From inaccessible buses to broken elevators in subway stations, getting around the city can be a daily ordeal. Beyond physical barriers, wheelchair users often face discrimination and prejudice from others. It's a constant battle to be seen and treated as an equal member of society. Despite these challenges, many wheelchair users face them with resilience and determination. It's important for society to recognize and address these obstacles to create a more inclusive and accessible world for everyone.